How to change Signia wax filters, otherwise called Signia NanoGuard. Here we have two popular Signia hearing aids. We have the Signia Silk Charge and Go IX and the Signia Pure Charge and Go IX. You can see they both got a similar rubber sleeve, or you can use domes. The first step is to take off the rubber sleeve, so I hold it with a firm grip and I simply pinch the edge and peel over, a bit like peeling a banana. Now, upon inspecting the tip of the filter, you won't always see any wax or debris in there because sometimes it sits as a little blob behind the tiny gauze plate. So what I need to do is take out one of the little NanoGuard. So the packet splits in the middle and we pull out pull nice and straight to pull out one of these little sticks. There's the fresh filter. And on the opposite end is a little barb to click in and pull out the existing filter. So what I need to do is line it up nice and straight. And I simply push and pull away. And now that's empty. And there's the one I've just removed. I need to flip it over 180 degrees and guide it straight in. I line it up, push and pull away. And there we have it. We've got a fresh filter in the end of that hearing aid. Dispose of your used filter stick. Now I want to put my sleeve back on. So I think the best thing is to hold it right on the very tip between your thumb and index finger. You'll see there's a little rubber socket right in the middle. I need to line that up nice and straight in the middle there and feel it fold over with your fingertips. You'll see there's a concave side, a curvy inside, and a convex, curvy outside. The sleeves also have a slightly concave and convex side, so they do twist on their axis, so it's good to line it up so that the concave side is facing in. That's actually how it goes in your ear, with the concave side facing you. There we have it.
Harmony Hearing